Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. This video is going to be a guide on how to use promo code on Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster is the world's largest ticket marketplace. They team up with the event organizers and make tickets available in their marketplace. So first of all, tap open your Safari or a web browser of your choice. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and in the search bar type in ticketmaster.com and tap on Go. Then you'll be redirected to the Ticketmaster homepage. In this page, you'll have to select an event you want to go, either it's a concert or it's a sport event or anything you like. Scroll down and tap on any event you want to go. Then select the event under the artist, select the row you want to sit at. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and you can see the next button in the bottom of the page. Tap on it. After tapping on it, your ticket will be verified. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and in this page you'll have to scroll down to payment. After you scroll down to payment, add your credit or debit card, and below it you can see the option of add credit, promo codes, gift cards. There you can type in your promo code in the box and tap on apply. So this is how you add promo code in your Ticketmaster. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.